Yes, good morning, children. This is Sharda from Little Heart Publications, and today we are going to deal with the chapter divisions. Already we have completed three operations: addition, subtraction, and multiplication. And this is about division. Division is a reverse process of multiplication. Division is a process of sharing or distributing equally. And the terms related to the division or dividend, the number to be divided, which we need to divide, that is dividend, denoted by capital D. Divisor, the number by which we divide, is known as divisor, denoted by small d. Quotient, denoted by Q, and the result we get after division is called as quotient. Remainder, the number left over after division is remainder, denoted by R. And divisible, when do you say number is divisible by the another number? If a number is divisible by another number, the remainder will be 0. If the remainder is 0, then we say that the number is divisible by another number. 8 divided by 4. 4 2s are 8. Remainder is 0. Then we say that 8 is divisible by 4. 8 is divisible by 2. In this, 8 is the dividend which is to be divided. 4 is the divisor by which we divide. 2 is the answer you got after division, that is quotient, and remainder is 0, here the number left over after division. Yes, children, let us go with some revision exercise which you have learnt in already third class, that we shall just recap. 24 divided by 4. Read 4 table until you get 24. 4 6 are 24. 38 divided by 0. So any number divided by 0 is 0. Dash divided by 1 is equal to 41. When you get the same number as quotient, when the same number is divided by 1, we get the same number as quotient. 41 divided by 1 is 41. 29 divided by dash is equal to 0. 29 divided by 0 is equal to 0. 78 divided by dash is equal to 78. When do you get the same number as the quotient when it is divided by 1? 78 divided by 1 is equal to 78. 600 divided by 60. 60 tens are 600. 10 is the answer here. Now 30 divided by 5, just a 2-digit number divided by 1-digit number. So read 5 table as this digit is less than, tens place digit is less than the divisor 5. So to take 2 digits. 5 6 are 30. 884 divided by 4. For this, arrange the numbers like this. This is the dividend, this is the divisor. When it's a 3-digit number, you have to start dividing from the hundreds place only. So as 8 greater than 4, take only 1 digit. 8. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 8, 0, bring down 8. 4 2s are 8 again. And bring down 4. 4 1s are 4. So this is the quotient and this is the remainder. 624 divided by 6. As divisor and the hundreds place digit are equal, you have to take only 1 digit. 6 1s are 6. Bring down 2. As 2 is less than 6, we have to go with 6 zeros are 0. So 2 minus 2 is 2. Bring down 24. Bring down 4, sorry. Now it is 24. 6 4s are 24. This is the quotient and this is the remainder. 850 divided by 5. 5 is the divisor, 850 is the dividend. So 100 place digit 8 greater than 5. Take 8. 5 1s are 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. Bring down 5. 5 7s are 35. Bring down 0. Don't leave it like this. Every brought down number should be divided. 5 zeros are 0. So 170 is the quotient and this is the remainder. Now 448 divided by 7. 7 6 are, as ones place digit is hundreds place digit is less than 7, take 2 digits 44. 7 6 are 42. 4 minus 2 2, bring down 8. 7 4s are 28. Yes, children, find the quotient and remainder. 329 divided by 8. 3 less than 8, take 2 digits 32. Read 8 table. 8 4s are 32. 32 minus 32 is 0. Bring down 9. 8 ones are 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. So quotient is equal to 41. Remainder is equal to 1. 659 divided by 9. As 6 less than 9, take 2 digits 65. 9 7s are 63. 5 minus 3 2, bring down 9. 9 3s are 27. 9 minus 7 2. So quotient is equal to 73. Remainder is equal to 2. 868 divided by 6. 6, as 8 greater than 6, take only one digit 8 in the hundreds place. 6 ones are 6. 8 minus 6 2, bring down 6. 6 4s are 24. 6 minus 4 2, 26 minus 24 is 2, bring down 8. Again 6 4s are 24, as 6 5s are 30 is greater than 28. We have to go with 6 4s are 24. 8 minus 4 4. So quotient is equal to 144 and remainder is equal to 4. Remember that always remainder will be less than the divisor. Yes, children, division of a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. Divide and verify. First we shall divide. 4 less than 5, so take 2 digits. 42. 5 8s are 40. 2 minus 42 minus 40 is 2 and bring down 6. 5 5s are 25. 6 minus 5 is 1, bring down 3. 5 2s are 10. 13 minus 10 is 3. So this is the quotient and this is the remainder. So for verification, you need to follow a rule. Verify or check. Dividend equals divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is the formula you need to follow. So what is the divisor in the division? In this division, 852. What is the quotient? Divisor is 5 and quotient is 852. What is the remainder? 3. First you need to multiply these two. 852 into 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25 plus 1 26. 5 8s are 40 plus 2 4260. 4260 plus 3 is 4263, which is our dividend. So our division is verified. Our division is right. In this way you need to check a division. Divide first and check the division. Yes, children, here is another problem for you. 5892 divided by 8. So as 5 greater than 8, we have to consider 2 digits 58. 8 7s are 56. 58 minus 56 is 2. Bring down 9. Now it is 29. Read 8 table. 8 3s are 24. 9 minus 4 is 5. Bring down 2. 52. 8 5s are 40. 8 6s are 48. 8 7s are 56. 8 7s are is greater than 52. 8 7s are 56 is greater than 52. We have to go with 8 6 are 48. 12 minus 8 is 4, 4 minus 4 0. So quotient is 736, remainder is 4. Now let us check the division. Dividend equals divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is the formula you need to follow for checking. Divisor is 8, quotient is 736 plus remainder is 4. First let us multiply 736 and 8. 8 6 are 48, 8 3 are 24 plus 4 28, 8 7 are 56 plus 2 58. 5888 plus 4. Add 4 to this now. 8 plus 4 12, 8 plus 1 9, bring down 8 5. 5892 is the dividend. So our division is verified, our division is correct. In this way you need to check division. Yes children, let us go with division of 4-digit number by a 2-digit number. 3896 divided by 12. Always start from the thousands place digit and the thousand and hundreds place. 38 is greater than 12. Take 2 digits 38. 12 3s are 36. 38 minus 36 is 2. Bring down 9. And 12 2s are 24. 9 minus 4 is 5. And bring down 6. 12 4s are 48. 16 minus 8 is 8. And 4 minus 4 0. So 8 is the remainder. Quotient is 324 and remainder is 8. So for carrying out the divisions, you need to be thorough with the tables from 2 to 90. And 5488 by 28. So 5488 by 28. 28 is the divisor. Take 2 digit 54. 28 1s are 28. 28 2s are 56 is greater than 54. We have to go with 28 1s are. So 14 minus 8 is 6. 4 minus 2 is 2. 26. Bring down 8. 268. Now read 28 table. 28 8s are 224 and 28 9s are 252. So 28 10s are 270, 28 10s are 280 we know, so we have to go with 28 9s are 252. 8 minus 2 6, 6 minus 5 1, 16. Bring down 8, 168. 28 6 are 168, so sorry 28 6 are 168. 6 8s are 48, 6 2s are 12 plus 4 16, 168. So quotient is 196 and remainder is 0. And 9649 divided by 24. So take 2 digits 96 and 24. 4s are 96. So 96 minus 96 is 0. Bring down 4. Every brought down number should be divided. So 24 zeros are 0. 4 minus 0 4. Bring down 9. Now it is 49. 24 2s are 48. 49 minus 48 is 1. So this is the remainder. Quotient is 402 and remainder is 1. In this way, a 4-digit number can be divided by a 2-digit number. Yes, children, find the dividend using the formula. For the verification of division, we use the formula dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here divisor, quotient and remainder are given. Using this formula, you have to find the dividend. So capital D dividend equals D into Q plus R. Here D is 6, Q is 224 plus R is 2. So multiply these two first. 224 into 6. 6 4s are 24. 6 2s are 12 plus 2 14. 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13. 1344 plus 2. The value of this is this. And now 1346. Add 2 to this. 1346. This is the dividend we need to find out. And in the second problem, D is equal to D into Q plus R. D is 12 here. Quotient is 345. Remainder is 6. Now 345 into 12. 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. 2 3s are 6. Now go with this one. 1 5s are 5. 1 4s are 4. 1 3s are 3. 9 plus 5 14. 6 plus 4 10 plus 1 11. 4140. The value of this is 4140 plus add 6 to 8. 4146. This is the dividend we need to find out using the formula. So children, many problems are given in the exercises from page number 71 to page number 76. You can practice them in your notebook and worksheet will be sent through WhatsApp. Thank you.